going on, guys? Today we're going to be changing the belts on a Door King gate operator, and it's the half horsepower. The model number is 6050-081, and the belts we're going to be changing are the 086. This one here has been slipping, and we had to shut the system down, order some belts. Finally came in. Here we go. You see all the belt shavings everywhere. But we'll go ahead and pop this belt off and throw the new one on. Just go ahead and get your flathead underneath there, and as you turn it, just start pulling it off. There we go. Alright, here's our new belt. See, the old one's definitely a little stretched out. And then just put it over the top. And go ahead and spin it, get it to lock on. Just like that. Pretty quick and easy. And we got another operator over there, the other entrance gate, and then we got two over there for the exit gate. I'm going to go ahead and hit all four of them. Alright, now we're at the other operator. Go ahead and put the screwdriver underneath there. It's a tough angle here. Let's see if I can do it backwards. Lift the screwdriver underneath there. Turn the pulley. There we go. Pull it off. Got our new belt. Go ahead and put it around the motor, top of the pulley, and just go ahead and spin it. That's it. Alright, now we're over here at the left exit gate. So we'll pry this belt back. Okay, put the new one around the motor. Start it over the top. Alright, go ahead and get the cover on. Alright, now we're on the last one. Right. Get our flathead underneath the belt, turn the pulley, and kind of pull out with it. Put it around the motor pulley, over the top, and just spin it on. That's pretty much all it's to it. So those are replacing belts on the Door King gate operator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.